Model, 2019 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 314 2.2 CDI fridge box van automatic 12 months MOT VAT inclusive. Body, white, fridge. Mileage, 138837. MOT, the 12th of March 2025. Engine, 2143 cc OM651 MI2 143 HP. Transmission, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash. Automatic gearbox is perfect, smooth, powerful, reliable van fully working in fridge. Unit ready to go to work. VAT is included in the final price. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 0 former keepers, air con, cruise Contron, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail,